Hey everyone, Ollie here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the C major chord and the F major chord. If you haven't already, please go and watch our introductory video on how to properly hold the ukulele and basics on strumming. And yeah, let's get into it. So the first chord we're going to be looking at is C major, and I'm going to show you which fingers to use and where to place them as well. What I want you to do is I want you to take your third finger or your ring finger and you're going to place it on the third fret of the A string here, or this first string here. And what you're going to do is you're going to press down nice and tight with your third finger, making sure that we've got our hands in the correct positions. So just try having a go at doing that now. So pressing down nice and hard. Once you've done that, we're going to strum the chord. We're going to strum nice and slowly now so we can hear those individual notes. So we're going to do a nice easy strumming pattern now, and it's going to be down 4 times. Here we go. Let's try that one more time. Okay, so we're now going to have a little look at the F chord. So the F chord, we're going to be using our first finger and our second finger, our index finger and our middle finger. So you're going to take your first finger and you're going to place it on the first fret of the E string, or the second string. You're going to take your second finger or middle finger and you're going to place it on the second fret of the 4th string. Now I'll just go through that again. So it's first finger on the first fret of the 2nd string, second finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And you're going to press down nice and hard and you should get something that sounds like this. We're going to play that nice and slowly, playing each individual string. So we're going to do a nice easy strumming pattern again, going down 4 times so we can hear that chord. Here we go. One more time. Okay, so we're going to have a go at playing those 2 different chords now. We're going to play C and then we're going to play F, and they're going to last for 4 beats. So it's going to give us lots of time to change from one to the other. Okay, here we go. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember, when you're practicing, to really take your time and make sure you're playing those chords nice and slowly so you can hear each individual note and hear how it sounds. Make sure you like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you on the next one.